Right, we're going to now test this using a web page and a form before we go into Python and try and do it programmatically, just to make sure that everything's working nicely and we can call it. The web page I'm going to change is the index one. We've already got one here, index. We just need to change one or two lines in here. All we need is the form, so I can actually get rid of the PHP. I don't need any of the PHP this time, so let's just get rid of that and this PHP. So all I've got is the form. I'm not bothered about the first name, so I'm going to delete that altogether. So I've just got a form saying what is the last name and then a button. The only things I need to check are the method. We are using the get method to place the values, key pair values on the URL, and I need to make sure that the action calls the correct web page, which is this one here, get person PHP. So if I now change that for get person.php, I think we've done everything we need to do there to actually have a working web page. So I'm going to save that and I'm going to check it. Now remember, this is index.php, so I don't actually need to put anything after sandbox at all. This should give me my form. There we go, it's asking for a last name, so let's type in one that we know will return values, Smith, and submit. There we go, we've got all the Smiths. If I go back, type in Negus again, let's do it lowercase just to check. Fine, that's working nicely. If I go back, change that one to blogs, just so I can see that I've got all the information in the database. That's absolutely perfect. Then let's see what happens when I give it a non-existent name, as I've done before, Jones. There we go, no results returned. What happens, I haven't thought about this one, what happens if I don't actually send any information at all? I'm going to reload the page just to make sure there's no information in there and click submit, and the value is missing. So as you can see, there's the call and the value is indeed missing. So that's working nicely. That was a really quick change in the index file, just to check it out. As it's working, and we know it's working by passing variables in, what we need to do now is go into the Python files and see how we can do a get request in Python. At the moment we've just got a straightforward request which returns everything. We've got one or two items just to change, and I'll manage those during the next video.